Hi all, Prepper Pam here. I made the video of canning the potatoes for French fries, and so today I'm going to show you how they actually turn out. So I rinsed out the jar, put them on a Scott towel for them to drain and get a little drier. I have my oil going and it has to get up to 350. Okay, so the temperature's up to 350. Put the fries in slowly. And as you cook them, the temperature will go down. I just do a few at a time. Okay, so that's enough for that batch. You don't want to put too many potatoes in there. And this is what I use when I take them out. Slotted spoon. If you don't have that, just use a spoon with a hole in it. Okay, so let me check them. A little bit longer. Okay, check. Oh, they're beautiful golden brown. If you guys like them a little darker, then leave them in a little longer. A lot of people double dip them. I don't. Put some salt on them. Okay, let me try one of these. Oh my. These are the bomb. So for those of you that have watched the video of me canning these, this one shows you that it does turn out. Oh my. Okay, if you have any questions, shoot me an email. Prepper Pam out.